ordinary, extraordinary. I have lost my words. We want an extraordinary day for Bitcoin. So I have a question for you, which is a very popular question now. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin now. Let's go look at Bitcoin now. Yeah, we're gonna go there. Share. Okay, guys, let's go to Bitcoin US dollar now. Did Bitcoin hit an all-time high? Did it hit an all-time high? So you hear a lot of this high, right? But was it the all-time high or was it another high? I don't know. High, low, high. I don't know. Did it? Because people keep telling me Bitcoin all-time high, Bitcoin high. Did it hit that? Come on, tell me, guys. YouTube, you guys can answer also because you guys seem pretty smart, but we got to get several things right. You got to separate the wheat from the chaff. Okay, that if it's not an all-time high, it's not an all-time high, and it is not an all-time high. Okay, contrary to popular opinion, it's not, but it did hit two key milestones, which is weekly high and then weekly closing high and daily closing high. These are significant. Do you see that? Because look at the weekly chart here. Look at the weekly chart for Bitcoin. Look at what happened next, right? We close below, we close above. So we have definitely cleared it on the weekly chart. We did hit a weekly high, just to tell you, and we did hit a kind of a daily closing high, right? Yeah, it kind of just a little bit, okay? So we kind of like that. See, this is daily closing. This is definitely higher than that wick there. So it is a daily closing high. We just have not hit the all-time high. So if you see on the Twitter sphere, there's a lot of people betting, okay, it's going to hit it by tonight. I don't know, maybe it will. But there's a lot of bullishness going around, and I'm bullish also. So when I'm bullish, what do I do, guys? What do? I do the best thing of all. Unlike you guys, I sell. I have sold into strength, okay? And I'm just like that. When I see all this, I just start selling into strength. I sold, I have a fixed schedule of, having to sell what I need to sell to last me for the entire crypto winter, right? Which will take 22, 23, 2.5 years. I think I have that already. Okay, so let's see on this Ethereum. I am disappointed in Ethereum, but I think it's doing only slightly better than Bitcoin. There it is, guys. How can it not hit even nearly 4? I'm frustrated, but I sold half of my position. So remember that I already have a schedule, on what I need to get out every month, because I am building my treasury. Okay, now that's very important. Why? Because I'm the OG. I know what happens if you kind of don't do that. So I'm starting to do that now, and I do have a lot of crypto still that can take me forward later, especially those IDOs, right, that are going to be launched, like Moonbeam and Akala. So that's kind of cool. That allows me to do what I want to do. Let's look at the dominance, 45.6. I'm happy because of that, but I just want to tell you that alts are getting crushed, totally crushed now, okay, because Bitcoin is going high. It's alts going higher now, not much, except some of the secondary alts are going higher, like some of those new IDOs. Okay, they look pretty good. No doubt about that. So you guys want to know what this is. Who knows the name? Who knows the name of no, I'm not selling first, buy later? Good question. Someone asked me, are you selling first and buy later? Same like you, Roy. No, I'm selling, I'm gone. I'm gone. Once I sell, I'm gone. It's like this, you see, because I have built a funnel all this time like this. This is how my funnel works. This is how my funnel works. That's an excellent question, by the way, and I shall take the time to answer. It is such an excellent question, okay? I have this, and then I have this group, and then I have this group. Now, this group has not been released yet. These are some of the super IDOs, right? You saw what it was, right? These were where Moonbeam, and this was where Akala is. And there are also several others, and there's something like Manta here also at this batch. So what I'm doing now, as the market goes up now, guess what? Guess what I'm doing? I'm letting go of this batch. I am letting go of this batch. I'm gone. I'm selling. I'm selling out of here. Okay, I'm just selling off out of here. And then as the market goes back, I'll probably cut this off and I'm selling off out of here. Yeah, Saturday is also probably here. And I'm selling off. I'm just selling off. Okay, so this allows me to last. This allows me to last 2.5 to 3 years, which I didn't have much more money on the sidelines. Okay, I met all my goals actually a couple of months ago. Okay, so no issue for me. And you know, I'm doing something else, which is I'm moving to what, guys? What am I moving to? I'm moving to risk-free model that is going to make me boatloads of money. Unbelievable boatloads of money in 2-3 years time. And I'm looking at now the next XC Infinity. That's what I'm doing. I'm going into NFTs and gaming. I told you guys I was going to Flippin, okay? So for you guys that have the, I'm selling. I'm not coming back because I have my funnel all stacked and ready. I don't need to hope for the past. I can sell them at a very, very good profit already. So what is the name of the Bitcoin ETF? It is BITO. What's a BITO? BITO. What an ugly name. What an ugly name, BITO. But maybe because it has a meme name, it's doing very. Look at that. Look at it. It goes down, it goes up. That means a lot of people love Bitcoin. This is amazing. You know, this is like, they call this the Burj Khalifa, right? They call this the Burj Khalifa pattern. I just read that on Twitter, like, what? That's called the Burj Khalifa. Okay, fine. That's called the Burj Khalifa. And look at all this news. ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF witnesses debut trade volumes jump shy just of 1 million. Amazing, amazing. And the S&P is up, and S&P is up also. So a lot of what happens tonight really depends on the S&P 500, okay? So I think this is very, very good for Bitcoin. Let's look at what the Twitter sphere is selling. Guys, the Twitter sphere is just celebrating. Look at that. Bitcoin is records highs, 1 billion traded. Amazing. I find it quite amazing. And look at it. We could have a double bubble here. Now, why is this relevant? I think we're going to have a chart like this. I think we're going to have a chart like this, but that is going to be punctuated by a lot of corrections, okay? So it's going to go like this, then go like this, go like this, go like this, go like this. I am quite sure of it. And I even want you now to calculate my target for Bitcoin, not personal advice. What do I base this on? What do I base this on? Lucky we got our metaverse ready. But I got another metaverse for you guys. I just gave you guys just now. Go get the airdrop, guys. Go get the airdrops, guys. I'm going to be big on that game, okay? So what do I base this on, guys? What is the record do I base this on? We have seen this before. This is an old friend of ours. Old friend of us. What asset did something like that? And I'm sure that Bitcoin is going to do something like that. What asset did something like that after the launch of the ETF? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? No, Dennis, it is not Metaverse. No, it is not NFTs, guys. There was no NFT at the time. There was an old school asset. No, it's not DYDX. Yes, it's gold. Our good friend gold has taught us so many lessons because gold is the OG of value, right? Since the beginning of time. I don't know exactly the beginning of time. Yeah, silver did it a little bit later. So let's go back in history. And only the OGs know this because I've been trading quite a lot of gold since 10, 12 years ago, right? Look at this, guys. When did the ETF for gold come out? Look at this. It came out in 2004, somewhere here. Somewhere here. Look at what happened here. What was the price here, guys? It came out November 2004, not 2007, 2004. Let's find it, November, right? This is GLD. Okay, it was 450. 450 and it raised up to what? 1783. Can you calculate me this? Can you calculate me this one? How many times it is? It is 1783 and 450. How many times did gold go up, guys? Come on, do your calculator. Oh, you forgot to bring your calculators, right? You guys are so happy because Bitcoin goes up and you guys said it's an all-time high when it's not, that you guys didn't bring your calculator. I'm gonna have to do this 3.7. Is it? Yeah, is it 3.7? About 3.96. It's 1783. 1783 divided by 450, guys. It's about 3.964 times. So if it does that, assuming Bitcoin yesterday was 63, you times 4 here. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you. 24, 25. So I do have an eventual target of 252. When? I don't know. I think this will come either the next halving, which is 2024, or the second one, which is 2028. Which means that this might happen in 2024 or 2028. I'm not sure. I think we're going to see something like this, guys. Hey, this is a good chart. Thank you, Gold. You gave me an idea. Look, I think they'll go something like this, and then we have a crash, right? We have a crash because I told you it's going to bear, right? And then the bear, and this will end this run, and then it could go up here. And if it does that, yeah, I think 252K is possible. Not financial advice, 2026. That is what I am basing my narrative on, okay? Because you guys need a narrative. Is you guys going to be lucky? Yes. What is this? Shahril, no, Shahril, if you say we're going to be rich, I am going to ban you guys. Guys, don't say that. What is it, Shahril? I have to teach you a language lesson. What is this? You got to say this. Wag me. What is that? Wives and girlfriends? No. We are all going to make it, right? We're all here. Because if you guys start being rich, guys, that is old school. That is gold stuff. That is gold stuff. You are going to NGMI. Now, I have to teach you languages, right? Not going to make it, okay? So WAGMI I'm not going to say what LFG is, or YouTube might just ban me for that, okay? It's a good word, but it's kind of not a good word, okay? So here's gold. So this is what I believe in, guys. This is what I believe in. Now, when will Bitcoin correct? Please be careful here. Guys, okay, I want to show you this. This is the recent what? This is the recent fear greed index. We've clearly broken this. So we've clearly broken this, right? And we're going up. Where does it end? Where does it end? You guys are like, where am I going to get out again? Well, here's a new point. Like if we're going to go here like 94, I'm going to start selling some of my inventory. Okay, I'm going to start selling some of my inventory. Doesn't matter. So I'm waiting for the, it might go down and up now, right? But I think the peak of this cycle, which I think is going to be about 100. It's not going to be 252. Hello. It's going to be like 100, maybe 100, right? And then it goes up, and then I'm going to sell, and then I think we're going to come back in 2024, and that will take it from somewhere. So it goes to 100, it goes down 40, 50, and then we go back to 252. Yeah, I don't want to be diamond hands, Henry, right? You saw my post, right? I'd rather be buying a Porsche Macan Electric than being diamond hands. Sorry, not for me. But you guys can be diamond hands for as long as you want. I just ain't gonna do it, okay? And anyway, that's one. The other one I want to tell you is this: Bitcoin Relative Strength Index, okay? In the bull Michael, look at that, typical mid-bull cycle drop in RSI between 2013 and 17. The RSI always hits here, right? 95 and above. We have not hit 95 now. Look what happened there. There was a fake out, beep, it went back up. So I wouldn't do anything, but I would say that 95 RSI here plus 94, 95 here is kind of gonna tell us it's probably the end. The end is near, okay, or somewhere there. Can I see the max? What did it go during the blow off top of 2019? Yeah, there was a blow off top there. Yeah, around there also, right? Same thing, guys. Same thing. So I'm just expecting something to happen there. I don't care if this comes up again. I can even draw you what the top is going to look like. No, I don't think it's going to crash there. It's going to crash like that. Going to go up, going to go down, going to go up again, and then going to go down. I am not going to be here. I'm gonna start ordering my Porsche Macan Electric. I don't know if it's there because it's only coming in 2023. So I don't know. I'll be posting in Facebook for over 1 year until you guys call me the big liar. He's been saying he wants to buy a Porsche Macan for the past 1 year, right? So while Henry is holding, I'm just saying on Facebook, I'm gonna buy a Porsche Macan that kind of doesn't appear, right? I think that would be more fun and better use of my time. Okay, so let's see what else can we do. So I just wanted to bring this around. I told you guys now, I know I broke my promise. I wasn't supposed to be here, right? It was a recording, but I just picked it, you guys. I wanted to get this out live. You're right. Live has a different impact than other things. So it's higher than the euro. It's all-time high in the euro because the euro obviously fell against the US dollar. Yes, everyone is waiting. Blast. I have some orders ready. I just let go some at 64.1K. I put in the 64.1K and like I sold half of what I wanted, and I'm gonna just sell half after it hits the ATH. Look at that. Oh, this guy shorted. But I would short at a lot higher level. I don't know. Bitcoin is the only way forward. Who is she? Maybe I should go and celebrate with her. Okay, what is that? Look at that. So everyone's excited, but just be careful, guys. I showed you the numbers. Basically, we're gonna do another goal, okay? And I wish you well again. Should I say diamond hands? Should I say hold the line, guys? If you can sell whatever you have. Just have a selling plan. You don't need to sell now, but just have a selling plan, and that is my advice for you guys. Yes, WAGMI. Goodbye, guys. WAGMI and LFG. Goodbye, guys.